tan square x by 2. Very easy and simple math. Tan square x by 2 dx. We don't know this formula, right? So what is to do? You see, we can write this sec square x by 2 minus 1. This is the formula that you have been knowing it from class 9 dx, right? Okay.
এটা কি ফার্স্ট ম্যাথ?
Yes, it's the first math of the day today. Okay, now you just let me know what is the integration of sec square x. Can you please tell me? Differentiation of tan x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x, right? So integration of sec square x will be tan x.
সন্দীপকে ফোন দিয়ে জানিয়ে দিয়েছি ও আসছে।
Okay, just listen to me. Thank
আমি
you.
মুস্কানকে জানাইলাম।
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Differentiation of tan x is
ভাই
sec
আমি
square x.
এমনিও আসতাম।
Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So integration of sec square x is tan x, right? Vice versa. This is the differentiation. Okay. And this is the integration. Okay. Now you see, so it is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. Now let me know what is the coefficient of x here is half. For differentiation, what we used to do, we would multiply. Now it will be divided. Now minus 1 means what? X plus c. We are done. That is 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c, and it is cot square x by 2 dx. Can you do it now? What is the formula? Let me know. Cosec square x by 2 minus 1. This is the formula. Dx. Now let me know whose formula is this. Talk to me. Cosec square x. Talk to me. If you cannot, then it means that you don't read at home. Everybody. It is minus cot x minus cot x by 2 divided by coefficient of x is half. This is half. This is minus x, and it is plus c. That means we get here minus 2 cot x by 2 minus x plus c. Are you getting it? Okay. Now we are going to some important maths. So before that, I think others would join us. Question number 12.1. Very, very important math. Okay. Now there are some maths which are important. 12.1. 1 by 1 plus cos x. 1 by 1 plus cosine x dx. What will you do? What is the formula? Let me know. 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square x by 2. Is it or not? One plus cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos x equals to 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. Now you see, we can write here half sec square x by 2 dx, right? And its formula is half tan x by 2 divided by half plus c. Is it or not? Now this half and this half, if you omit this half and this half, so we are left with only tan x by 2 plus c, and it's our answer. Okay, I think now you can do this math. 1 minus cos x dx. Can you do? Yes, you can. Number 3, 1 by 1 plus sin x. Who can do this math? Is there anyone here who can do this math? Number 3. It is homework. Now number 3. Who can do? Is there anyone here who can do this math? You see, we know this formula. 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, but we don't have any formula of 1 plus sin x. Yes, we have. That is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. But it does not sense anything here. So what will we do in doing maths from derivatives? We got this type of math, about 4 to 5 maths. There I told you to get like this: 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, as we don't have any formula, right? We have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin x. Okay, that means integration 1 minus sin x, and here it is 1 minus sin square x, that means cos square x, right? In the denominator, we will have the formula of a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so we can write here, which is equal to 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x dx. Now let me know. It is what? Sec square x. It is tan x sec x dx. What is meant by this? Sin by cosine will be tan x, and there will be another cos x in the denominator. That is 1 by cos x will be sec x. Now it is very, very easy for you. For any of you, this math is normally given in the examination. And sec square x equals to what? Tan x. Tan x sec x equals to what? Sec x plus c, and we are done here. Is it okay to all? No. Now, if a math is given like this, suppose if a math is given now like this, number 4, 1 by 1 minus sin x. Now, can you do this math? Yes, you can do this math. Okay, only a plus will be difference. Previous math, it will be deferred by only a plus sign. Homework.
ওকে ফোন দিয়েছিলাম, ওর ফোনে হয়তো কোনো প্রবলেম, এর জন্য কল যায় না আর কি।
Who? Hello.
স্যার জুমাইনার কথা বললো মনে হয়।
ও হ্যাঁ
Okay.
জি মানে স্যার রুমায়নাকে কল দিতে বলেছেন তো এটার কথা
Oh,
বললাম আর কি।
okay. Why you not root over 1 plus cos x? It is very easy and simple. You can do it easily. 1 plus cos x means what? 2 cos square x by 2, right? Dx. That means what? Root over 2 cos x by 2. Now, this is root 2 sine x by 2 divided by half plus c. This 2 will be in the numerator, that is 2 root over 2 sine. The math is done. Okay.
স্যার মুছেন না।
Number 2, root over 1 plus cos 2x dx, homework. Number 3, 1 plus cos square x by 2 dx. Who can do this math? Number 3. It is, we can do like this, 1 plus half into 2 cos square x by 2, right? It is 1 plus half 1 plus cos x dx. Now you can do this math easily, right? It is equals to 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus half cos x dx. Okay. Okay. Now you can get 3 by 2x plus half sin x plus c, and math is done. Very easy and simple. Now we have some maths which is of online, that is e to the power 5x dx equals to what? Let me know. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. Integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So, okay, write down e to the power x, that is 5x. What is the coefficient of x? Is 5 here. For differentiation, it would be multiplied, but for integration, it will be divided. And we are done here. Okay? Talk to me. This was question number
Yes, sir.
14.1. So this type of math is really very, very easy for you. 14.2. Suppose another math is given like this, e to the power 5 minus 7x. We will not be afraid of seeing the math. Let me know. E to the power x is e to the power x. It is e to the power x. Now, what is the coefficient of x? Let me know. Coefficient of x is what? Minus 7. And we are done here. Okay. This type of math is normally given in the MCQ examination. Are you getting me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
जी सर।
Okay. Then we are going to next math. Number 3. E to the power x plus 1 whole square. E to the power x plus 1 whole square by root over e to the power x. Root over e to the power x dx. This is the math. As I told you not to be afraid of seeing the math. So what will be our functioning? Let me know. It is e to the power 2x plus 2 e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x by 2. Is it or not? Now you can tell me how does it come? A plus b whole square formula, square plus 2ab plus b square. That is e to the power x whole square. E to the power x whole square means what? E to the power 2x, 2 into x 2x. Then this is twice ab plus b square. Now what will you do? You see 2x minus x by 2 equals to what? 2x minus x by 2 equals to what? 2 to the 4x minus x, 3x by 2. So we are getting actually 3x by 2. Talk to me. Plus 2 e to the power x minus x by 2, that is x by 2, plus e to the power minus x by 2. Can you please talk to me? What I have done here? I have done the partial fraction. Okay. That means you see here e to the power x means what? E to the power x means e to the power x. E to the power x means e to the power x. Okay. What is the coefficient of x? Is 3 by 2. Will be divided by 3 by 2. 2 e to the power x by 2. What is the coefficient of x? Is half. So it will be divided by half. The same thing, e to the power minus x by 2. What is the coefficient of x? Is minus half. Will be divided by minus half. Then at last it is plus c. That is, we are getting here 2 by 3 e to the power 3x by 2 plus 4 e to the power x by 2 minus 2 e to the power minus x by 2 plus c. Interesting fact is that if we go for differentiating this, we will get that value as it was given in the question. Number 4, dt by 2e to the power 2t. What will you do? It is half, okay, e to the power minus 2t dt. So very easy and simple, is equal to half e to the power x is e to the power x. The coefficient of t is minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Okay. That is, we are getting minus 1 by 4 e to the power minus 2t plus c. Math is done. Very easy and simple math that I told you. I think you have copied it. Can you remember please what is the integration of a to the power x dx equals to what? A to the power x by ln a, right? plus C. I think you can remember, right? So we'll have some maths on this. That's question number 45, sorry, 15.1. 15.1 is that 10 to the power 3x dx. 10 to the power 3x dx. You just compare with this. What is the answer? It is a to the power x, so it will be a to the power x, a to the power x by ln a. What is a here? A is 10, ln 10. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 3. 3 plus c, we are done. Okay? You just maintain the formalities, nothing else. It has been written as per this. What is the change here? Here it was only x whose coefficient was 1, so no need to write down this one. But here the coefficient of x is 3, so 3 has been written in the denominator. Okay? Suppose if another math is given to you like this, number 2, a to the power 4x dx. What will you do? Very good. A to the power 4x is a to the power 4x by ln a. What is the coefficient of x? Is 4. So we are done. Talk to me.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Now we are going to maths of new dimension. That is a little bit tricky to do this math. Number 16, 1. And this is the last math of this exercise. But the next exercise is the most important and the most interesting. 3dx by 4 plus 5x. Very easy and simple math. I request you not to be afraid of seeing the math. 4 plus 5x dx, right? This is the math. Can you please let me know what is 1 by x dx? Let me know. Ln x plus c. Am I right? Is it? Now you consider this as x. So we are getting 1 by x. We are getting 1 by x. 1 by x means what? Ln x. So this is ln. This is x. Now what is the coefficient of x here? Is 5. You write down 5 plus c. Is it okay? Talk to me.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Same type of math. This is dy by 3 minus 7y. What will be answer? Ln 3 minus 7y. What is the coefficient of y? Minus 7. So we are done here. Very easy and simple. Be easy, think positively. Suppose another math is given, number 3. 5, 3 minus x whole to the power minus 1 dx. Will not be afraid of. It is 5. It is 1 by 3 minus x dx. Now the math is done. Is equal to 5 ln 3 minus x divided by minus 1, as the coefficient of x is minus 1. That is minus 5 ln 3 minus x plus c, and we are done. Was it hard? Definitely not. If the next math and the last math of the exercise is given like this, you see, number 4, 3 by x minus 1, 3 by x minus 1 minus 4 by x minus 2 dx. What will we do? Let me know. Actually, we don't have any functioning on this 3 which is in the numerator. It is the coefficient will be kept as it is 3 ln x minus 1 and coefficient of x is 1. No need to write down 1 minus 4 ln x minus 2 and the coefficient of x is 1. No need to write down that plus c, which is the answer. We are going to the next exercise 10.3, which is the most important as well as the most interesting. I request all of you to pay 100% attention here. Be mentally prepared to do the most important as well as the most interesting math in your life. And after that, you'll be astonished how maths are
স্যার
normally
সোজা
done.
কথা বলেন না, অঙ্কগুলো অনেক কঠিন হবে।
No, I cannot because I love this math. Okay, number 1, you see, it is x e to the power x square dx. This is the math. How many functions are there? 2 functions. They are in the form of multiplication, but we really don't know the form of multiplication. We really don't know any formula of multiplication. This math can be done with the help of multiplication formula, but it's really very, very long, lengthy. So we have, or we will have some techniques by which we can do all this math. Okay, now I am going to show you those techniques. Number 1, we have 2 functions. Very good. You see, in these 2 functions, we have a similarity. It is x, it is x square. Anyhow, if I write down, here, write down, this is the math starting. Write down, let this part is to be let as z, always at the first day of 10.2, I told you, this is to be let as by z, x square equals to z. Now, you just differentiate it. If we differentiate this x square, what will be our result? Talk to me, please. Twice x. Hello. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. 2x dx is equal to dz. But here, what you see in this question, what we have? We have x dx. You see, we have x dx. You see, we have x dx and we have x dx. We don't have any 2. So what will we do? We will find the value of x dx. X dx is equal to half dz. And in this exercise, all the maths will be done by this way. No math will be done in another way or by another way. All the maths are based on this way. So you see, actually it is the integration. So by I, we are expressing the given part. I means this. So I equals to what? This is half. X dx means what? Half. Okay, half e to the power z dz. Do you agree with me? Perhaps you don't. Very good. What is the value of x dx? Talk to me. What is the value of x dx? X dx, what is the value? Digit, half digit, this half, this digit. You see, x dx, what is the value of x dx? Is half digit. This is half and this is digit. So what is left here? E to the power x square. So what is the value of x square? Is z. So e to the power z. Now you see, your math is done. The integration of e to the power z is what? E to the power z. Am I right? The integration of e to the power z is e to the power z, right? Now let me know what is the value of z now. You let me know. The value of z is x square. And we are done here. Perhaps you may not understand this math, not a matter. We will have another math and there you will come to know again. Okay, pay attention. Number 2. X square. Very good. X square dx. I told you that we have a combination with this x and this x square. You write down here. Let x square is equal to z. That means 2x dx is equal to dz. We don't have any 2, so x dx is equal to half dz. Okay, very good. I am showing you another way. What is the value of, okay, it can be written like this, you see, please pay attention. A to the power, though you will not write it in the exam, we can write like this into x dx. Can you write? Talk to me. Now you see, its value is what? A to the power z. X dx, its value is half digit. That means we can write here half a to the power z digit. For the previous math, I skipped these 2 lines. Actually, those 2 lines are not required anymore. We can be able to write down this line from this line at a time. Now you have got it or not? That's good. So now just let me know what is a to the power z. A to the power z means what? A to the power z by ln a. Am I right? Plus c. Now you put the value of z. The value of z is x square. Write down half a to the power x square ln a plus c, and we are done here. Talk to me. Okay. Going to the next math, number 2, 1. Now it is the math of fractions, that is 2x by 1 plus x square dx. What you will come to know, is it possible that we can get x square from x by differentiating? No, it is not possible. So we have to let this part as by z, where x square we can get 2x easily. Have you seen x square? It is twice x at a time. So it's okay. Write down let 1 plus x square is equal to z. Now can you please differentiate? 1 is 0, x square is what? 2x dx is equal to dz. Talk to me. Everybody, please talk to me. This is the math to talk.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you
Yes,
see.
sir.
Now you see in the numerator we have what? 2x dx. You see 2x dx. You see 2x dx. 2x dx equals to what? dz. That's good. It is dz by it is what? Z. Now what is the integration of 1 by z? Actually the math would be written like this: 1 by z dz. Now what is the formula of 1 by z? Talk to me.
Ln z plus c.
Very good. Ln z plus c. Now what is the value of z? Ln 1 plus x squared plus c. And we have got the answer. I told you, very interesting math. Can you remember, please?
Yes,
And by
sir.
this time, you will agree with me that yes, the maths were really very, very interesting. Okay? Okay, let's try for the next math. It is also another interesting math. Number 3. Sin x by 1 plus cos x. Now, the students become confused. Which one will be let as by z? Because if we let sin x by differentiating, we can get cos x. If we let cos x by differentiating, we can let sin x. We can get sin x. Okay, that's good. You see, with cos x there is 1. So we have to vanish this one at the same time. So what will you do? I will let the denominator as by z. 1 plus cos x equals to z. You can let it. Now you differentiate minus sin x dx is equal to dz, right? But in the question here, we don't have any minus sign. So what will you do? We can write down sin x dx equals to minus dz. Is it okay? So that's why we can write down it is minus dz in the numerator, and in the denominator it is only z. That is, we can write down minus 1 by z dz. Can you write? Can you see the board properly?
জি স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Okay. Now let me know what is the formula. Minus ln z plus c. Is it? Now what is the value of z? Is 1 plus cos x. So we can write down minus ln 1 plus cos x plus c. Anything wrong? Or is it that you have failed to understand? Perhaps not.
বুঝেছি
This,
স্যার।
yes, thank you very much that you have got it. Next, number 4. E to the power x minus e to the power minus x. E to the power x minus e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Now let me know. Interesting fact, here any of these can be let as by z. The best way to take, for in this case, the best way to take the denominator. If we differentiate the denominator, we'll get the numerator. I mean, if we differentiate the denominator, we'll get the numerator. If we differentiate the numerator, we'll get the denominator. How does it come, you see? Suppose let denominator e to the power x plus e to the power minus x equals to z, right? Now differentiate it. What is the differentiation of ex? Ex is ex. What is the differentiation of this part? Will be what? Minus e to the power minus x. Is it? dx is equal to dz. Here there will be dx, there will be dx. That dx has been taken common. Okay. As a result, you see we have got the numerator. What is here in the left hand side is the numerator in this question. So we can put the value here, that is dz by z. Talk to me. Wholly and fully is dz, and it is z. So dz by z, that means ln z plus c. So what is the value of z? We have let z is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Talk to me. Question number 5. Cos square x sin x dx. Now the same question. If we differentiate cos x, we can get sin x. If we differentiate sin x, we can get cos x. Then what will you do? Remember one thing. You will let that part where there is a power. There is power here. You will let that part. That means we'll let here, let cos x equals to z. Okay. That is, we are getting minus sin x dx is equal to dz. Okay. That means we are getting here sin x dx is equal to minus dz. Okay, that's good. We are getting minus. So I am writing minus here. Cos x equals to what? Z square, and it is what? Dx. So sin x dx is equal to what? Minus dz. I have taken that minus at first. This is dz. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now, minus, what is the integration of z square? It is z cube by 3. Is it? I mean, 1 will be added to the power. 2 plus 1. Here it will be 2 plus 1. What is the value of z? Is cosine x. So minus 1 by 3 cosine x, that is cosine cube x. Talk to me.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Very 1, 2, 3 lines math. This is the math of 3 lines. Okay, now we are getting another math, very interesting math. Actually, this chapter is the most interesting and the most important. But if anybody fails to do any of the maths from this exercise, remember one thing. She cannot do any math afterwards. X to the power 7, then e to the power x to the power 8 dx. Now let me know which one can be taken as z. Talk to me.
X to the 8.
You are
8.
absolutely right. X to the power 8 will be taken as z. Because we will get here 8 x to the power 7 dx as by dz. Is it? You see, we have already got x to the power 7 dx. That means from here we can find the value x to the power 7 dx is equal to 1 by 8 dz. Am I right? So you write 1 by 8. Very good. Now, you know this value. It is only dz. 1 by 8 as it is written at first. And e to the power x to the power 8, that means z. So we can write e to the power z dz, right? So what is the integration of e to the power z? Is e to the power z? Now, is it that we can put the value of z? Z equals to what? X to the power 8, e to the power x to the power 8 plus c, and we are done here. I know that you are enjoying this math, right? Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
স্যার আপনি আজকে কতক্ষণ পড়াবেন?
As you want. I don't have any, I mean, what can I say to you?
স্যার আমাদের কারোর কোনো প্রবলেম নাই।
Okay, so today it will be
12
an
Nah.
ongoing process.
ওকে স্যার, মজাই লাগতেছে রাতের বেলা ক্লাস করতে।
Okay, and I told you that I remain free at this time. Sine cube x, cosine x dx. Which one will be laid as by z? At first you have to
Sine
find it because the power, right? Sine x equals to z. Then we are easily getting cosine x dx equals to dz. We are easily getting, right? So you put the value. Let me know z cube dz. Now cannot do this math after this. Equals to what? Z to the power 4 by 4 plus c. What is the value of z? Is sine x. Very good. 1 by 4 sine x. That is sine to the power 4 x. And we are done here. What I have done? Actually, I have put the value of z. Nothing else we are doing here. We are letting a z and we are putting that value. Okay? Is it okay to all?
স্যার
Yes.
আর ম্যাথ না করি।
Okay. Why? You
স্যার অনেক
committed.
রাত হয়ে গেছে।
I don't have any problem if you don't have
স্যার এইটা করেই শেষ।
না
sine 5 to the
মুস্কান,
power x dx.
নাজিবা কালকে সকালে ঘুম থেকে উঠা লাগবে, উঠে কলেজে যাওয়া লাগবে।
আরে অ্যালার্ম দিয়ে রাখবি।
কিসের অ্যালার্ম? লাইনে যে দাঁড়াইতে হবে। এটা
Okay.
লাস্ট ম্যাথ।
Okay. Okay, it will be the last math if you can do. If you cannot do, I'll take another half an hour class. Do it.
স্যার এটা কি আমরা করব?
Hmm.
ওকে
Who is that?
স্যার আমি।
So let me know. Will I do? You see, we don't have as usual rules here. We cannot let sine x equals to z. If we let, then there will be cosine z, and we don't have any cosine z, so we cannot let it. So what will we do? We'll write down very easy and simple sine 4x into sine x. Or you can write down sine square x into sine cube x. It also can be written. Now you see, this is sine square x whole square. This is sine x dx. Now what is sine square x? 1 minus cos square x, right? Whole square into sine x dx. Now you see cos x can be let as by z. Now you let cos x is equal to z. So we are getting minus sine x dx equals to dz, right? That is sine x dx is equal to minus dz. So what is happening here? We have got this value, sine x dx. That is minus dz. You see, that minus is to be written at first. 1 minus, what is cos square x? Cos x is what? What is cos x? We have let is z. So 1 minus z square. 1 minus z square whole square into its value is only dz. Minus has been written here, dz. But even again, in this way, we cannot find the value. What is to do? Minus this 1 minus 2z square plus z to the power 4 dz. Okay, that is, we can write here minus, it is what? It is 1 means z minus 2 z to the power 3 by 3 plus z, z means z to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Now, what is the value of z? Cosine x. So we can write down minus cosine x minus minus plus 2 by 3. Z is cosine x, cosine cube x minus plus minus 1 by 5. Z is cosine x, so cosine 5x, and it is the answer.